This is our presentation on global climate change, and our topic is the increased production of fossil fuels. First of all, what are fossil fuels? Humans need a way of getting energy that fossil fuels are fuels made of carbon. Humans need a way of getting energy that we can power buildings with, transportation, and make electricity. One of the most efficient ways to get a large amount of energy for these things is mining for fossil fuels. Fossil fuels are fuels with large amounts of carbon that are stored underground. Carbon is an element that's in pretty much everything, like decaying plants, animals, fossils. It's also in the air, ground, water, and humans. But back to fossil fuels. To get the fossil fuels that give us energy, humans use large machines and equipment to pump them out of the ground. But this destroys habitats and ecosystems, and because of the carbon that's released into the air, it mixes with oxygen and becomes carbon dioxide, which is a greenhouse gas which causes climate change. Some examples are coal, oil, natural gas, propane, and kerosene. Back to the greenhouse effect. Fossil fuels worsen the greenhouse effect by releasing greenhouse gases like carbon dioxide into the air. The greenhouse effect is what happens when greenhouse gases are trapped in the atmosphere and prevent warmth from leaving Earth. This warmth is trapped in the atmosphere and it heats up the Earth, causing global warming.
This is the data scientists have collected about carbon dioxide levels, the sea levels, and much more. This graph shows that global temperatures and pollution have increased because of human activities.
The burning of fossil fuels affects the climate a lot. As I said before, carbon dioxide is a greenhouse gas, and it's released into the atmosphere, strengthening the greenhouse effect. The more fossil fuels burnt, the more carbon dioxide is released into the atmosphere, and the more the greenhouse effect is strengthened. That means little warmth from the sun can leave Earth and is trapped on the Earth, making global temperatures rise. On average, temperatures have risen 0.13 degrees Fahrenheit every decade since 1880. This number has doubled since 1981, when temperatures have risen about 0.32 degrees Fahrenheit every decade. The burning of fossil fuels are also responsible for 3/4 of human carbon emissions.
One benefit of fossil fuels is that they give us much energy. A disadvantage is that they make global warming much worse. The reason why we haven't eliminated fossil fuels completely is because of what we use them for, but we have to find an alternative fast because of the negative effects. There are more disadvantages than benefits, and the disadvantages are far worse than the benefits they'll ever come with. So, how can we fix this? We need to invest in clean energy such as solar power, hydropower, and wind energy. Our community needs to do this fast, otherwise global warming will have a permanent damage on our Earth, and it will be a serious effect.
Cities will go underwater, species will go extinct, and extreme weather that puts lives at risk.